Hey there, welcome to Real Life Economics. Do you know what's really strange? The fact that we work long hours almost every day to receive just a piece of paper we call money. Think for a second. It's weird, right? But this is because people themselves give that paper value and meaning. So what's money? Like every other thing in the world, money has its own meaningful and interesting history. So let's talk a little bit about money and what exactly it means. Money is a database for exchanging goods and items. Economists define money in three ways. First, is storing value. Money holds value over time, allowing you to save money now and use it in the future. Unlike perishable goods, it helps people to secure their future life. Second, a unit of account. Money is used to measure and compare the prices of different goods and services. Simply, we can see how much we need to pay for an item, then decide whether to buy it now or save our money for the future. Third, medium of exchange. Money makes the trading faster and easier. And instead of carrying the product in every trade, we use money in a bank account. It helps us to exchange product all around the world. So money is the consequences of barter. For example, when you want to buy wheat and you have almond for exchange, but you cannot find the person who wants almond and offer you wheat, you are unlucky. Money came to make this trade happen in easier way. The first kinds of money were used in China and Lydia in 17th century BCE, which were gold and silver. Then over time, China started to use paper money. Between 17th and 19th century, paper money came to Europe. Today, people around the world use numbers in their bank account as money. Which kind of currency do you prefer to use? And if you want more lessons about money in real life, visit this channel every Thursday. And to support us, please subscribe Real Life Economics.